So hey good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel City English. So today in this video I am gonna show you that how you can stake your Certik CTK token on Binance and earn up to 43.8% APY on Binance. Okay, so that's all in this video I am covering about. So make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you will not miss any update from my channel time to time. Okay, so let's start the video. So if you don't have, first of all, if you don't have account on Binance, I have given the link in the description. So make sure to create account through my link and you will get 20% off trading. Okay, so if you are United States, you can also use Binance. Okay, so make sure to create account through my link below. Okay, so first of all you have to open your Binance application. You will see this interface. So just here you can see here more option. So just click here on more option and you will see all the services that are available on Binance right now. Okay, you can see all the services. So we just have to click on here staking. You can see that staking option. So I just click on staking and here you can see all the tokens that are available on Binance and that those tokens that you can stake and earn different APY on different coins. Okay, so here you can see that above staking is selected and you can see there is two options. One is staking and one is DeFi staking. So make sure we have here under staking option and here scroll down. If we scroll down you can see all the available coins that you can stake and earn different APY. So here we have to find out. You can see I just scroll down here and you can see that I just find out my Certik CTK token staking and you can see here you will earn 43.8% APY and minimum lock amount is 1 CTK token. Yes, you can stake minimum 1 CTK token, which is nothing right now. And here are different durations for which you can stake your CTK token. So if you don't able to find CTK token, if you are watching video after some time, so you can also search CTK token here. Okay, so I just click on search bar and you can search Certik. Okay, so here I just search Certik CTK. Certik token has CTK. Okay, so you can see that Certik token is available. I just click on here and you can see all the terms, all the different plans on Certik. Okay, so if I go back and I just select CTK from the line. So if I want to stake Certik CTK token for 10 days, then I will get 43.8% APY. Okay, so if I want to stake for 30 days, I will get 21.85%. And if I want to stake for 60 days, you can see you will get 26%. And if you want to stake for 90 days you will get 23%. So the more duration you will select, the more APY you will earn. Okay, so if you want to stake, just click on here stake now. I just click on here stake now and you can select your duration. Here you can select your durations. Okay, from here. Okay, so I just click on 10 days and here you can see, and here you can actually enter the amount of CTK tokens that you want to stake. Here is the important information that you need to remember. You can see that minimum amount is 1 CTK and maximum amount is 250 CTK tokens. So you cannot stake more than 250 CTK tokens on Binance. So just keep remember. So if I stake 250 CTK tokens, so here maybe I will here you can see that I will earn about 3 CTK tokens in 10 days. Okay, so if I click on 90 days term and if I stake my CTK tokens, here you can see that in my 90 days term you can stake 1700 CTK tokens maximum, and in the 10 days duration you can only stake 250 CTK tokens. Okay, so if I stake 700 CTK tokens, you can see that I will earn about 47 CTK tokens in 90 days. Okay, so redemption time is, you can see it, 34/2022, and redemption period is 1 day. So if you have tokens, you can just click on here and just click on confirm. Okay, so in this way you can stake your CTK tokens on Binance and earn crazy APY. So if you don't have account on Binance, I have given the link in the description. Make sure to create account through my link, and if you want to stake any other token, make sure to comment below so that I can create video. So that's all in this video. Take care.